Hello and welcome. This is Abdul taking you through my profile on Integrating Technologies Moodle for Teachers page. First of all, we have to get logged in. So I'm going to log in by clicking the login icon. And when you click it, you can get logged in using these three items, and I'm going to use Google. And once you get logged in, you can see the home page. This is my home page. And let me take you through my profile. So here on the right you can see your name, and below that there are so many items. Let's see the first one, my name, and this is my name seen on this page. You can see details like my email ID, my country, the badges I have gained so far. All these things are displayed here. Let me go back again. The preferences icon on when you click the preference icon, you can see the user. So you can see myself as the user. I can edit my profile. I can change the preferred language, forum preferences, editor preferences, course preferences. The course I have already selected. All these things can be changed, manipulate. I mean, we can work on these things, edit on these things, calendar preferences, message preferences, like that. And again, we have the badges. We can make changes on the badge preferences, manage badges, backpack settings. Maybe you can display all the badges you have gained elsewhere on this page too by making some sort of arrangements, clicking here. There are also other items like miscellaneous, event monitoring, open badge settings, badge hiding. All these things are available on this page. Portfolios. So these things are available here when you click preferences. Again, let us go back to preferences and again badge, another one. And when you click the badge icon, there are again settings for badge privacy settings. If you click it, maybe you can change these preferences, badges, okay, and badge preferences. So there also you can bring about the changes you like. And below that we have messages. This course page allows you to send messages to your audience, your participants, your colleagues. You can send private messages or group messages, whatever you like. This is the way you send messages. You can click contacts and send messages to. Okay, let me again go back to my preferences. Private files. So there are no private files, seemingly no private files. Forum post. All the posts I have made to the forum will be displayed here when you click the forum posts. These are the posts. These are the most recent posts I have made to these forums. Saturday, 6th June. So if you go further, scroll down, you can see most of all the posts you have made to this course. All the posts you have made so far to this course. And discussions. And when you click discussions, you can see the discussion topics you have been involved in, your contribution to these discussions, etc., etc. So all these things, much more like the forum post. Your discussion topics will be displayed here. So I have already shared my teamwork policy and all these things. So these are the discussion topics I have got involved in. Okay. Now coming back, my grades. The grades I have gained so far will be displayed if you click my grades. So all the courses I have got involved in and the grades I have got will be displayed here. Again, badges. So we have seen badges in under the names, but here this section deals with all the badges you have gained so far. So I have got a few badges from various courses I have attended so far, and all the badges will be displayed here. And we have the logout icon here, and we have the help icon. So all these things make integrated technologies profile this section really very navigatable for teachers, I mean participants to work on. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.